Hi, I'm Shannon McCollum, and here are 3 tips that you need to know to be a great photographer. Number 1, learn your camera, man. Learn it. Take it everywhere with you. Each camera is different. Canons, Leicas, Fuji, Sonys, they all do different things, man. Play with the settings, shoot, see what it does. Learn your camera, it's your baby. Number 2, listen, man, compositions. We ain't out here chopping heads off. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're learning our compositions. Why? Because that's what's meaningful. How are you framing it? Where are you putting your subject? That's important. Let's do that. Learn compositions. Number 3, what we doing? We're learning lighting. That's the most important thing in photography is lighting. Lighting is everything. Are you trying to make these people look shadowed up? No, you're trying to let them look glowed up. You're trying to make them look good. You're trying to make them look professional and clean. Do you need reflectors? Do you shoot behind the sun? Do you wait till the sun go down? Learn lighting, man, that's it. We're gonna go over all these. So February 24th, night school, Cam Kirk Studios, me and you, let's go.